Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on that device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that, let's scroll a little bit down to the default notification sound, and now just to switch your currently sound to the one from this sounds. Also, you can use your custom notification sound, but how to do that you should find in our Hard Reset YouTube channel another video. And now, for example, let's use this one, and just to save the changes you should click here to OK, and that's it. Now we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Motorola device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.